We managed to get some time to check out the secret waterfall, and I've never seen this before, so I'm pretty excited. I've seen pictures, but I really want to see it. Are you wet?
What do you think?
I'm just soaked. This was a nature shower. One of the coolest things I've seen in a long time.
A waterfall inside a cave.
Yeah. Gljúfrabúi is the waterfall's name. If you're ever in Iceland and ever on the south coast, you have to check this out. It's right next to Seljalandsfoss.
If you like my video, guys, hit the subscribe button, like it, and share the love. Like someone famous said, never stop exploring.